am so excited to announce that my recipe book, Nourishing Neurodiversity, is finally live. All of the recipes in this book are vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and nut-free so that we can accommodate a whole range of preferences and lifestyles and allergies and intolerances because I know that especially neurodivergent individuals can definitely struggle with these things. In this book, you will find over 50 different recipes that are sensory-friendly, allergen-free, support your gut, and improve executive functioning. All of the recipes are also customizable to fit your unique preferences and your unique needs because everyone is so different, and no one recipe or no one way of living is gonna work for the next person. So all of the recipes are customizable, and you can make them yours because that's what nourishing yourself and not to mention life is all about. Making it yours. You can now grab either the ebook, which will be delivered straight to your inbox, or you can purchase the paperback version on Amazon. You can find all the links in my bio, and I am so excited for you to get your hands on a copy of Nourishing Neurodiversity.